Clinton. I just finished the Finch red, green, blue, yellow, rainbow, purple, teal, and stop. And so if I click the red button, it'll go red, green, blue, yellow, purple, and then there's teal. And if I click rainbow, it'll go red, green, blue, purple, yellow, and then it'll repeat that 10 times. And then if I click stop, it'll stop everything. Thanks a lot.
Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th Hour, and I was SpongeBob.
My name is Ryder, and I made this catapult, and if you press F, it launches anything you put in it.
I'm Clinton. I just upgraded the buttons. Instead of red, I put Rudolph because Rudolph it turns red, makes very much sense. And the rainbow button, rainbow, because it's awesome. And they made it random, so when you click it, it just does random colors, and you never know what color it'll do. But yeah.
Hi, this is Eli, and today we learned how to control our Finch. That's the name of this little robot mouse thing. And yeah, it's cool. Look. That's a rainbow, and then it keeps going. There's stop, yellow, purple, red, green, and blue.
Hi, I'm Brianna from 1st Hour Modtech, and I'm going to be showing you my spring king. I push the letter F, it flames everywhere. Don't forget to subscribe to HLModTech.
This is Michael, and I just finished up the skateboard, and it has my name on it. I even have the things right here that hold on the wheels.
Hi, I'm Clinton. I just made a skateboard. It grows pretty nice. It goes pretty nice. I have my name on it. Looks kind of weird because there's like spaces in between. There's the L and the I. Well, the I doesn't have any, but yeah, turned out really great. The axles were basically made out of straws that I cut, and they were hot glued to the wheels. But yeah, I made the skate.
This is Nate from Mr. Harmon's 5th Hour class, and I have something that's like a geometry dash.
Sometimes putting sheets on the bed is really difficult because of non-helpful people. Right, Ernie? You busted? Bad cat. You need a skadoodle so I can finish, sir. Yes. Stop being a menace. Yes. Stop being a menace, Ernie.
Cool, and I just figured out how to make 3D word art. I think it looks really cool because it actually looks like it's 3D.
Hi, I'm Tyler, and I'm here with CJ, and we're gonna see if my glider can beat his. We're just gonna duplicate mine and call it your own.
Wait, I can do that?
And as you can see, I have beaten CJ. 8.1 seconds inspect to 6.15 seconds inspect.
You cheated.
I won.
Alright, so Tyler was making a glider, and I said if you made an 8-second glider out of a cartwheel, we don't know what to do. This is still possible. Here we go. Medic.
Yay. Yay.
This is Michael, and I just finished up this awesome computer. You can see that this part right here is transparent, so you can see inside of the PC. And we have the monitor and the keyboard.
Hi, my name is Maggie, and I am in Mr. Harmon's computer class. We made some pretty cool stuff, and I made a computer.
Love a good Sunday morning with actual sun.